Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions and analysis for gold, Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones. With the help of candlestick charts and indicators, we'll try to find out the trading entries, the strategy for trading these three instruments so that we can make a good profit. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and do not forget to watch till the end. First we'll look into Nasdaq 100. First we'll look into gold followed with Nasdaq 100 and in the end we'll see Dow Jones. Do listen to it carefully. Let's start the day with gold here. Gold on the early charts trading at the median of the Bollinger Bands, trading with a pivot at 1735 levels. It is trying to trade with this at pivot 1730, giving it a support, 1740 giving it a resistance. It is trying to trade in between, failing to go past either of this. Bullish on the early charts. Stochastic comfortable, looking downwards. The MACD has crossed over and it is wide divergent bullish. RSI is trading flat on the early charts. If you look at the 2-hour charts, you will observe that it is consolidating here since last three candles, though it has seen a good drop earlier in the day today, achieving 1724.23 levels. Now trying to bounce back. The resistance at 1737 is strong. Once it trades beyond 1737, go long and one can expect it to rise. 1740, 1742 next target, and beyond that it is definitely going to hit 1745 and 1750 levels. Be watchful here. It is trying to give you a breakout. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is in comfortable levels. It is looking upwards. The MACD has crossed over. It is divergent and bullish. And also if you look at the RSI trading flat on the 2-hour chart. On the 3-hour charts, if you look at on the 3-hour charts, higher highs, the next high is at 1740 levels. And yes, the resistance at 1737 is strong. It is trying to give you higher highs, higher lows in between 1730 and 1740. Do not trade below 1730. Again you can go short, but there is a support here at 1727. So in between 1727 and 1740, do not trade. And yes, any breakout above and below will be a very good indication for it to decide the direction. If you look at the directional movement, it is trading parallel without any deviance, and stochastic is looking upwards. It's bullish. MACD is parallel. It is trading green. RSI is trading flat with a slightly bullish bias. Similarly, if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, you will find, see, these two candles were in red and were with an upward slope. Every time it is trying to pull back, higher highs, higher lows. Now this time it is trying to give it a breakout. Also the support here at 1732.33 is strong. I told you in the morning itself, once it breaks below 1732 this time, you can go short for 1728.27 and then 1724 levels. So you can go short at 1732. This appears a good entry, or rather if you want to take a comfortable trade, you can go short at 1730 levels. So yes, and till the time it trades above, probably one can expect that it may try to rise. 1740, 1742 zone should provide a stronger resistance. Once it goes past it, we can expect 1745, 1750 levels as the next target. It can try to give you a breakout. Directional movement, trading parallel without any deviation, without any variance. Stochastic is trying to converge crossover. The MACD is running parallel. RSI is near to bottom. It is trying to come out of the oversold levels. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily chart, it is, see, first of all on the weekly chart, it is trying to reverse. The resistance there at 1745 is very strong. If it sustains above 1745, just close your eyes, stay long, and it is going to fly. In this week itself, we may see it hitting 1760, 1770, in fact 1780 levels. So go long above 1745. That is very clear. At the same time, below 1724 we may see a good fall. Right now it is trying to consolidate in between these levels on the daily chart. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is trying to come out of the oversold levels. The MACD is also trying to converge from here. RSI is also oversold and hence a bounce back is expected, because it is trading oversold since for last few multiple days. And for the day, yes, if you see it trading above 1737, go long again for 1740, 1745, and beyond that it is going to act extremely bullish. Beyond that it is going to act extremely bullish and it is going to fly. So go long at 1737, go short at 1732 levels. Below 1732 again the support at 1728.29 is strong, and then 1724 is strong. So be watchful of this. Very nearby resistance on the downside at 1728.29 and then 1724 levels. Yes, you can initiate a short entry at 1732, but be cautious and trade with a stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss, because if it reverses, the reversal is going to be strong. Reversal is going to be very bullish, you can say, and above 1740 and specifically 1745 the rise is going to be very fast and it is going to give you a strong breakout. So be watchful of this, take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100 on the hourly charts. Coming out of this consolidation zone, it is trying to give you a breakout. I told you in morning 11750, be watchful of this. 11750 again provided it a support. It is trying to rise here, it is trying to create the symmetry. The resistance there at 11880 is strong. I told you in the morning also, once it trades above 11900, definitely one can stay long for 11970, 12020, 12050 and 12100 levels. Beyond that it is going to fly high. If you look at the directional movement trying to converge crossover for a bullish move, stochastic is near to overbought levels. The MACD has crossed over. This is just third green candle and it is divergent. It is extremely bullish. We may see further more greener candles from here. RSI looking upwards on the hourly chart. On the 2-hour chart, similarly you can find it is trying to reverse here. It is trying to give you the symmetry. It has done this complete journey. 11880, be watchful of. Beyond 11880, go long for 11920 and then 12020 levels should get achieved. So be watchful. It can try to achieve those levels. Any short entry, as I earlier said today, is below 11750. If it sustains below 11750, stay short for the rest of the week and it is going to trap heavily. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge from here. It is trying to act bullish. The stochastic is looking upwards from and act bullish. If you look at the MACD, it is trying to converge, crossover for a bullish move. The RSI too is looking upwards. Similarly, if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts it has shown a reversal, trying to reverse. It is completely the symmetry is done. The next candle I will be definitely watchful of. If it breaks out, the breakout is going to be immensely strong. The next target is 11950, 12050 levels and beyond that it will fly strongly on the upside. If you look at the directional movement, this is bearish, trying to converge, crossover for a bullish move. Stochastic is looking bullish, looking upwards. MACD is trying to converge, crossover for a bullish move. RSI looking upwards from here. Similarly, if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, this is trying to show you reversal. This is trying to show you breakout. The symmetry is done. 11880. Beyond that, it is going to fly high. The next target is going to be 11920, 970, 12000, 12020, and then beyond that, we are going to look forward to extremely bullish move. Only short entry is below 11750. I am reiterating again. Only short entry is below 11750 levels. Once it drops below 11750, we can expect a good drop. Directional movement is trying to converge. Stochastic is trying to come out of the oversold levels. The MACD is trying to converge and cross over for a bullish move. RSI too is looking upwards from here. Similarly, on the daily chart, it has achieved the low, got the support at 11750, 730 levels, trying to bounce back from here. And yes, it is trying to reverse strongly. There is a resistance here at 11900. Beyond that, we may see a good rise till 12020, achieving the lower highs, and around 12020, 12050 we can again expect it to drop. It has formed a tail, and the tail is from 11850 to 11730, 120 points. So from 11850 to 11970, around 120 points, it can try to swing in between these levels. That is one probability, and close the day at around 11850 levels. This is also very much probable. Directional movement is bearish. It is divergent. Stochastic was overbought, looking downwards. And if you look at the MACD, this is also this is bullish right now, and it is trying to converge here and narrow it a bit. RSI trading flat. Considering this, let me give you the trading levels. So yes, you can go long at 11880. The target is 11920, 11970, 12020, 12050. Beyond that, we will see it rising strongly for 12150 levels, and beyond that, it will fly strongly on the upside. Be watchful of this. Any move beyond 12100 should be considered as a bullish breakout, and it is going to reverse strongly. Else till 11970, you can again expect it to trade sideways, and you can again expect a drop from there. So be cautious at 11970 if it tries to rise till there. And yes, only short entry I'll recommend is below 11750 levels. If it trades below 11750, you can go short, and then one can expect 11650, 600, and then below that we may see a very sharp drop till towards 11500 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow US 30 on the hourly chart. See lower highs it is trying to give. 31,000 is the level I will be looking forward to. If it breaks past 31,000 and 31,050, watch out for these two levels. If it breaks past this, you can definitely go long for 31,150 levels, and then 31,200 should come into picture. Any move beyond 31,200 should be considered as a bullish move, and it may rise strongly beyond those levels. See on the downside here it is 3900 levels, again providing it a support. I am reiterating this levels again. I told you in my weekly analysis, in my yesterday analysis, in my morning analysis also, 3900 should provide a stronger support. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is at bottom trying to look upwards on the hourly charts. The MACD is trying to converge, crossover for a bullish move. The RSI is trading flat, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts too, similarly, see it has seen the highs there at 31,000. Be watchful of 31,020 and 31,040 levels. Beyond that, you can stay long for 21,150 and 31,200 levels. Till the time it trades above 3900, rather one can stay long, and below 3900 you have to go short. There is no other option. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold. The MACD is in red, trying to converge and crossover for a bullish move. RSI looking upwards from here. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, lower highs it is trying to show you, and that is why I say you can go long at 31,020 here rather than 31,000. Go long at 31,020, and beyond that definitely it will hit 31,000 and 31,100, 31,200 also can be seen. In fact, beyond that we may see a stronger bullish move on the upside. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is also on the sell side. It may try to converge. RSI is near to bottom. Now this is on the 3-hour charts. Let's have a look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts too, it is giving lower highs. So be watchful. If it reverses below 3900, it is going to be a very strong red candle, which might take it till towards 3700 and 3620 levels. So be watchful. It has seen the high. It is trying to reverse. Go short at 3900. That is also clear. Below 3900, rather I'll say 3880. Go short at 3880, and you will see extreme drop from there. We can expect it to drop till towards 3700. 3600 levels. So go short at 3880 levels. On the upside, go long at 31020, 140 points. Do not trade. See, chances are more for it to rise as it is oversold. The MACD is also wide divergent bearish. RSI too is looking upwards, so chances are there for it to rise again. But look at the daily charts. On the daily chart, see the body size is increasing. It has seen the high, probably it appears, and it has seen the low, probably it appears. So 31,200, 250, you have to be watchful. It can achieve this. 31,750, almost 500 points of swing you can get, and ultimately towards the end it may try to close with a drop, as it is increasing. The body size is increasing in nature, and probably it may close with that. So be watchful of this and take your trades accordingly. Direction movement is bearish. Stochastic was overbought, looking downwards now. The MACD is trying to converge, crossover for a sell. RSI looking downwards. Considering this, go long at 31,020, and yes, one can go short at 30,880 levels. In between these 140 points, do not take any trade. Above 31,020, the target is 31,100, 31,200 and plus levels. Above that, it will fly high. It will rise strongly. Till the time it trades below 31,200, one can again expect a drop, and we may see it coming till towards 3750 levels, 3700 levels. See, once it breaks below 3880, go short, and one can expect 3750, 3600 levels can also be seen, and then a bounce back towards the end can be seen. So take your trades accordingly. Do not trade between 3880 and 31,020 levels. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Keep shifting your stop loss to cash. Basic guidelines for you to trade. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. This is also another guideline for you to trade successfully. And yes, if you want to be part of my mentorship session, you can join my mentorship batch. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram ID or email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.